Kimbel Library's overview of integrating streaming videos into your classes. Kimbel Library subscribes to a number of streaming video resources. The largest among them are Alexander Street Press, Films on Demand, and Kanopy. During this session, we will review how to locate Kimbel Library's streaming video resources, link to and embed videos in Moodle, and create short clips from full-length videos. To get to Kimbel Library's streaming video databases, we'll go to the library homepage, www.coastal.edu/library. Beneath the search box, you'll see 3 links, and you'll want to click the first link for Database Finder. From there, we'll look at the lists beneath Find Databases by Subject, and we'll click Streaming Video at the bottom of the 3rd column. I encourage you to browse all of the collections on this webpage. Again, in this video, we're only focusing on the largest collections, beginning with Alexander Street Press. And Kimbel Library subscribes to 3 Alexander Street Press collections, including AVON, Filmakers Library Online, and Sports Medicine and Exercise Science in Video. For this example, we'll click the first database in the list, which is AVON. And from off-campus, you will need to authenticate before you can access Kimbel Library databases. Once you're in the database, you can search by keywords and click Search. Browse your results or click the filter icon to limit your results by category. Click See Details to see a brief synopsis of the video, and click the title for the full video content. At the top of the page, you'll see a number of options. Transcript allows you to read along with the narration and also to search the video for specific keywords. You can click Details for an overview of the video. Clips allows you to create your own clip from a larger video, and we'll come back to this. Share allows you to link or embed the video in Moodle. We'll also come back to this. And then Cite provides MLA, APA, and Chicago citation styles for the video. Let's take a look at the Share option. When we click this link, there is the option to copy the permalink and the embed code. If you want to paste a video link into Moodle, it's important to use this permalink rather than the URL at the top of the page. That's because the permalink contains Coastal's authentication code, so students from off-campus will be able to view the video. Using the URL at the top of the page bypasses the Coastal authentication, and so your students won't be able to access it. To embed the video in Moodle, click Copy Embed Code. Then go to Moodle and add an activity or resource. I'll choose to add a page. Enter the title for your page, and then scroll past the description box to the content box. Because we copied HTML code, we need to click the HTML option in the content box. To do this, click the Show Hide Advanced Buttons option, and then click the last icon. If you hover over it, you'll see that it says HTML. There is already some code in the box, which you can ignore. Just paste the code you copied from Alexander Street Press after what's already there. Now, normally this would be the end. You could just press save and see the full video. However, there are 2 mistakes in the embed code that will need to be changed before you or your students can actually view the video. First, locate the HTTP at the beginning of the code and add an S to the end, making it HTTPS. Second, locate the 2048 in the middle of the code. Delete that and replace it with the numbers 8443. Click Save and Display to view the video in Moodle. Back on the Alexander Street Press website, we'll click the Clip option, and this allows us to take a portion of the video, Give it a unique URL and then show only that portion of the video to students. To create a clip, you'll need to sign in or create an account through Alexander Street Press. To create an account, click Register as a user. Click Create a new clip and enter new start and finish times, or move the bar to the appropriate times. If you want to share your clip with others, you will need to make it visible to either the public or to our institution. Give your clip a title and then save your changes. The clip will appear to the right of the video. Click the three dots and share to get the permalink and embed code for that specific clip. Even though this example has been in AVON, know that all three Alexander Street Press databases, AVON, Filmakers Library, and Sports Medicine and Exercise Science, all have the same appearance and functionality. Let's move on to a different website, Films on Demand. So to get there, we'll go back to the library's website. We will click the database finder link beneath the search box. And again, click Streaming Videos at the bottom of the third column. And this time we'll click the third link for Films on Demand. Type your keywords in the search box and click Search. You can limit your results by subject, or you can choose additional filter options. Notice that some of the videos are full videos, while some are just segments, which are small chapters within larger videos. Click a title for the full content. To the right of the video, you'll see the title of the full video as well as different segments of larger videos if they exist. Since we clicked on a segment title rather than on a full video title, in our results list, that's what is highlighted and that's what will play on our screen if we play the video. You can also click the transcript link to read along with the narration or to search for keywords. Beneath the video, you have similar options to what we saw in Alexander Street Press. You can cite in MLA, Chicago, APA, or Harvard. You can also create custom segments in addition to the pre-existing segments and share the video. To share the video in Moodle, click the Share link and then click Embed Link. If you're viewing a segment, you'll see links for both the full video and the highlighted segment. In that case, the embed code will automatically be for the relevant segment rather than the full video. Copy the embed code, go back to Moodle, and add this video just as we did before. So once we're in a page, we'll scroll down to Content, click the down arrow, and then click the HTML link. We'll paste the copied embed code in this box and then save and display to see the video. Note that unlike with the Alexander Street Press videos, we didn't have to change any of the embed code before embedding videos from Films on Demand. Back on the Films on Demand page, you can create custom segments in addition to those that already exist. To do this, click Segments and then log in or create a new account. Enter a start time and end time. A segment title, and then click Create Segment. And you'll now see a custom segment tab next to the pre-existing segments to the right of the video. Sharing custom segments is a little complicated, so what we have to do is click on our username up at the top right, and then click My Content. Locate the segment you want to share, click the Actions drop-down menu in the right column, and then click Share. And from here, you can access the embed link options to either link or embed your custom segment into Moodle. Now, let's take a look at one more streaming video database called Kanopy. Again, we'll go to the library's homepage and click Database Finder beneath the search box. We'll choose the streaming video link, and this time we'll click the link for Kanopy. Once you're in Kanopy, you can either search by keyword or browse by topic, and then on by subtopic. Scroll to the bottom of the results for more limiting options. You'll see them in the menu at the left. Click a video title and scroll down to see a synopsis and video details. Click Share beneath the video to copy the link or the embed code. You would just copy and paste this into Moodle the same as before. And as with Films on Demand, there is no need to make any changes to the embed code. So just paste it, press Save, and the video will display. To show a transcript, click More and choose Transcript. The transcript will load once you begin to play the video. A citation option is also available under the More option. Click Citation Tool to display the APA, MLA, Chicago, and Harvard citation styles. To create segments, you need to first add a video to a playlist. So click Create Clip Playlist, and then choose to add the full video to a new playlist or to an existing playlist. Click Edit Playlist, and then choose the video within your playlist that you want to edit. Once you're in edit mode, you can choose a start time and a stop time, and then save the clip. And then to share the clip, click My Playlists at the top of the page, and then click Share Embed. And then you would just copy and paste that link or embed code into Moodle to share your clip with your students. So that's an overview of the 3 largest streaming video resources we have at Kimbel Library. I encourage you to search in them and also in our other streaming video resources, and contact the library at www.coastal.edu/library/ask if you have any questions.